Welcome to Heislet. Today, we're diving into a powerful guide that could change the way you think about money and success. Make Epic Money. This book isn't just about earning more. It's about building lasting wealth, leveraging digital opportunities, and adopting a mindset that sets you up for true financial freedom. If you've been looking for strategies to break free from traditional limitations and start making real progress toward your financial goals, this is the book for you. Stick around to learn practical insights and game-changing tips for transforming your income and lifestyle. Make Epic Money provides an in-depth blueprint for wealth generation that goes beyond simple saving tips or conventional financial advice. The book is structured around the idea that wealth is a result of both mindset and strategic actions, and it appeals to those who want to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle by building substantial, sustainable income streams. This is not just a financial guide. It's also a self-improvement manual, helping readers adopt the habits and mindset that drive wealth. The book begins by challenging traditional views of money. According to the author, one of the biggest obstacles to financial success is a limited understanding of what money truly represents. Instead of viewing wealth as a purely materialistic goal, the book suggests that money should be seen as a tool for achieving personal freedom, giving individuals the power to live on their own terms and pursue what truly fulfills them. To lay the foundation for financial success, Make Epic Money emphasizes a wealth-building mindset. The author identifies several self-limiting beliefs, such as the fear of taking risks, the belief that wealth is unattainable without inheritance or extraordinary luck, and the notion that financial success is only for a select few. By dismantling these misconceptions, the book encourages readers to think more expansively and proactively about wealth. A major focus of the book is creating multiple income streams, rather than relying solely on a salary. Make Epic Money advocates for generating income from multiple sources, which can act as a buffer in times of economic instability. The author delves into both active and passive income streams, breaking down the pros and cons of various avenues, from real estate investing and stock portfolios to more modern methods like digital product sales and online businesses. Each strategy is analyzed for its scalability, risk, and long-term potential, empowering readers to make informed choices that align with their personal skills and risk tolerance. Another key theme is the power of digital platforms. In the digital age, the internet has opened up vast opportunities for individuals to create wealth with minimal startup costs. The book explores specific methods such as creating content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok, launching online courses, or becoming an affiliate marketer. There's an emphasis on tapping into niche markets, where specialized knowledge or unique products can command a high price. By utilizing digital marketing, search engine optimization, and social media strategies, readers learn how to reach large audiences and generate revenue online. To support readers in pursuing wealth in the digital realm, Make Epic Money provides actionable steps for building a brand and leveraging social media. This section is especially relevant for entrepreneurs and freelancers looking to establish themselves as authorities in their fields. The book explains how building an online presence and personal brand can enhance credibility, attract clients, and open doors to partnerships, sponsorships, and other income-generating opportunities. Beyond business strategies, the book emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and personal growth. Wealth building, the author argues, isn't about short-term gains but about cultivating habits that sustain financial growth over time. There's a strong focus on resilience and the willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. For instance, the book encourages readers to view failures as valuable lessons and to maintain a growth-oriented mindset, seeing every setback as a step toward greater financial literacy and stability. The book also discusses the often overlooked role of mentorship and networking in financial success. The author suggests seeking out mentors who have achieved the level of success you aspire to, as they can offer guidance, resources, and connections that can fast-track your financial journey. Networking is similarly vital, as it allows readers to connect with like-minded individuals, potential collaborators, and industry experts who can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Finally, Make Epic Money offers practical tips for money management and investing. The book covers essential financial literacy topics like budgeting, managing debt, and investing wisely. The author provides guidance on how to set up emergency funds, prioritize high-yield investments, and safeguard assets to build long-term financial security. In essence, Make Epic Money is a comprehensive guide to transforming both mindset and strategy, In Pursuit of Financial Freedom. The author presents a roadmap for building wealth through innovation, resilience, and smart planning. For readers willing to commit to the journey, this book serves as a powerful tool to not only make money but to make epic money. Wealth that provides security, freedom, and the means to live life with purpose and fulfillment. That wraps up our summary of Make Epic Money. I hope these insights inspired you to take control of your financial future and start building wealth with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more book summaries and self-improvement tips. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try. Remember, building wealth is a journey. Take it one step at a time and keep moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.